Ko ngongotaha te maunga, ko te rotorua nui a kahumata momo i te roto, ko utuhina te awa, ko te papai o ru te marae, ko Ngāti whakau e te hapu, ko te arawa te iwi, ko te arawa te waka, ko Pukeroa Oruawhata te kura.
What inspires us, embracing challenges and exploring new ideas to reshape learning in our dynamic world? Guided by the wisdom of our ancestors, Ngāti Whakaue and Te Arawa, known for their risk-taking and innovation, we lead with courage and creativity. Kia ora, ko Fred Whata tōku ingoa, nau mai, hara mai, welcome to Rotorua Primary School, Pukeroa Oruawhata, centre of the universe, where our vision is te uru o te whetū, to be guided by the star. We believe our children are taonga, treasures to be nurtured and supported to thrive. Our mission is to grow lifelong learners through high-quality, collaborative education that respects individual and cultural needs.
Our values guide us in delivering innovative learning experiences, empowering our taonga to leave a positive impact on the world. We are committed to creating new opportunities that ignite a genuine love for learning. Our kaiako lead the way in harnessing technology as a transformative tool, exploring new ways to unlock its full potential. The well-being of our community is essential. We have a culture of whanaungatanga, bringing everyone's strengths together to achieve the best for ourselves and our taonga. Technology plays a crucial role in strengthening connections between our kura and whānau, fostering trust and enabling real-time sharing of authentic learning experiences.
Our kura is a dynamic place to learn. We all have access to the best tools to enable us to create, to be curious, and explore the world around us. Whether we are designing, composing, coding, performing, or drawing, we see our creativity being amplified with the best tool of them all, our iPads. Through waihanga and a challenge-based learning approach, we use technology in meaningful ways to make learning relevant.
Diversity is our greatest strength. We celebrate varied learning styles using technology to ensure each taonga takes ownership of how they explore and communicate their understanding. By integrating a te ao Māori lens into our curriculum, we have achieved academic and sporting excellence while fostering a sense of cultural pride.
At our core, we believe education should be joyful, deeply rooted in culture, and empowers our taonga to know that their voice matters. With technology in our hands, our achievements are limitless. The stars are truly in our reach.